Compactors are very hard to understand. I know it's a lot of trouble. But don't worry, in this video, I will show you exactly how to use a comparator. My name is Megapixel and welcome to this video. First of all, let's start with the legendary and most famous history of the comparators. The comparator was added in the 1.5th update, also known as the redstone update. The redstone update was added in 2013. The update added quartz, activator rails, redstone blocks, daylight sensor, dropper, hopper, trap chest, weighted pressure plates, and the legendary comparator. Great, now that we know its history, let's know how to craft it. In a 3x3 grid or in a crafting table, place 3 stone blocks in the bottom, 1 quartz in the middle, and 3 redstone torches on top like a triangle. And you will receive 1 redstone comparator. Great, now that we know how to craft a comparator, let's know how to use one. A comparator is used in redstone circuits to maintain, compare, or adjust block signals. Let's see in detail. Comparators has two mods, Subtraction mod and Comparison mod. You can switch between mods by just right-clicking the comparator. Great, now let us know about the comparison mod of the comparators first. And true to its name, the comparison mod is used to compare between the powers of redstone circuits. Now look at here, we have a simple redstone circuit. The comparator in the middle is powered by two inputs, one from the left and one from the back. We shall know the one from the left as A and one from the back as B. Right now, A is much more stronger than B, so the redstone lamp will not glow. But if we move A farther away, we shall know that B will give off more power than A, so the redstone lamp will glow. But if we put both the redstone torches equidistant from the comparator, the redstone lamp will still glow. Another property of the comparison mod is to understand block strengths and mainly using inventory management. It is calculated using the following equation. Here is a simple example. The book on the lectern will give a maximum signal strength of 15. If the book has 3 pages, we should divide 15 by 3, so each page will contain 5 redstone signals. So if a player is reading page 1, the lectern will give an output of 5 redstone signals. If it's page 2, then 10 redstone signals and so on. Here is another example, a chest. If all the inventories of a chest is filled with stacks of blocks, then the maximum output will be 15. But as the stacks are removed, the signal strength will also decrease. The same rule applies for droppers, hoppers, trap chests, shulker blocks, and all the other blocks shown over here. There are also some blocks that show these comparison mod outputs in a different way. So let us see them one by one. The first one comes the bee's nest. It gives the output on the amount of honey inside it. So if we drain all the honey from the bee's nest, it will become to 0. Next comes a cake. The cake will give a full redstone signal of 15 when it's full. But as each slice goes, 2 redstone signal is decreased. Next in line is a cauldron. The cauldron filled with water gives a full redstone output of 3 signal strength. but as each water level decreases, it will reduce one redstone signal. Next comes the item frame. It gives a redstone output on the direction in which the item in the item frame is pointing to. So each 45-degree movement of the item will give 2 redstone signals to a maximum of 10 redstone signals. In the last comes the respawn anchor. It can give out 3, 7, 11 and 15 redstone signals on the basis for each glowstone added to it. Now we have finished with the comparison mod. Now let's move to the subtraction mod. We can know if a comparator is in subtraction mode if there is a light in the front which can be enabled by right clicking the comparator. Here I have built a simple mechanism in which we can understand the comparator's subtraction mode with ease. On top of each redstone dust, I have placed a sign which represents the redstone power of that redstone dust. First, let's place the comparator in subtraction mode. Let's make the main input, that is from the back of the comparator, has 15 strengths. Great. Now from the side, let's push a lever. When you push a lever, a piston will come forward and read the signboard which is in front of the piston. Right now I have pushed piston 5, so 5 power is minus from 15, so the total strength will be 10. This is subtraction mode. So if we retract the piston and if we place something other like 10, so 15 minus 10 is equal to 5, so 5 power units. In the same way, 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. Now let us change the main input from 15 to something else. Now I have pushed piston 6, so the main input will be 6 power units. Now if I push piston 5 from the side, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, but if we push a larger number like 12 or 14, then it will become a negative number. But negative number are not supported. This is all there to know about the comparators. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a lot. If you do, please hit the like button and press the subscribe to see more. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye for now.